H-30 is committed to westbound 80 so far, through the Berkeley curve, number 2 at 75.
To westbound 80, number 2 at 75, and there is a closure westbound 80 to southbound 101.
Golden Gate H-30's into the bus lane. Still westbound 80.
Into the bus lane, westbound 80.
Golden Gate H-30 through the toll plaza at 75.
H-30 through the toll plaza.
6, have all the units switch to the pink.
6, have the units switch to the pink.
Trip at the 101 split, the traffic's at a dead stop at that location.
Golden Gate H-30, we're 10-8 with you on the pink with the pursuit from Oakland.
H-30, 10-8 on the pink with the pursuit. Just be advised, there is a closure, the westbound to southbound 101 traffic at a complete stop right there.
H-30, we copy. We're currently number 1 lane on the incline at 105.
The incline.
5, we copy the cozy.
S6 on the pink.
And H-30, we're approaching the tower, number 1 at 110.
Approaching the tower, number 1 lane, 110.
And H-30 into the tunnel.
H-30 entering the tunnel.
And H-30, we're out the other side, number 3 lane at 100.
We'll be just west of the tunnel now, number 3 lane, 100. S6.
This thing goes past Fremont Street, have all ground units for cancel.
S6, if it goes past Fremont, have all ground units 1022.
And H-30, we're now west of center Anchorage, number 3 at 110.
Number 3, 110.
Golden Gate H-30 looks like he may be exiting.
H-30 vehicles are exiting 10-9.
H-30 looks like he exited, I believe, to Fremont Street.
Vehicle exited Fremont Street. H-30 has a visual.
And H-30, we're going to be going into the tunnel, number 4 or 5.
The vehicle's eastbound in the tunnel, number 4 or 5 lane.
Golden Gate H-30, we're now east of the tunnel, Number 4 lane at 120.
177, we're east tunnel.
177, you're eastbound east of the tunnel.
177,
177, the vehicle just passed you.
And H-30, we're now on the decline, number 1 lane to the number 2 at 120. And H-30, we're taking the 27th off-ramp, approaching MLK.
taking 27th, approaching MLK.
H-30 right turn onto 27th and a left turn on MLK.
Aztec Hub ground units reduced. H-30, confirm left or right on MLK.
H-30, we're made a left turn. We're southbound at Martin Luther King, passing 24th.
Our left-hand turn, southbound at MLK, passing 24th.
5-5, all ground units have 1022, and we will respond to termination.
5-5, ground units 1022, you guys are going to respond to termination. Right on the silver, and OPD is not going to pursue if the want with speed.
And H-30, they just stopped, and there's a foot bail. And 3 people running back northbound into an apartment complex, looks like 949 Village Circle.
I copy the vehicle stops at foot bail, 3 parties running northbound into the apartment complex, 949 Village Circle.
And H-30, they're still running westbound along 8th Street. They're behind a commercial building. Go another 100 feet off on your left. That's both of them walking through the parking lot right there. We'll get H-30, got units that are approaching the suspects right now.
Okay, City copy, units are approaching the suspect.
H-30, they're still running. They've got their hands up, but they're running away.
Still running with their hands up.
Right turn, right turn, right turn. Golden Gate H-30, you got 1 unit. Several officers out now with 2. No, we have 2 detained shortly.
Unit out with 2, they'll be detained shortly.
Okay, Golden Gate H-30. I've got the 3rd subject, I think, hiding down by a garbage dumpster back towards the vehicle.
H-30, believe the 3rd party is hiding by a dumpster back towards the vehicle.
H-30, it's going to be on 8th Street, and it's going to be from Filbert, west from Filbert.
On 8th, just west from Filbert.
One officer that's running, whoever that is, the dumpster's right off your left. It's like a concrete dumpster box. To the driveway on your left, immediately to your left, right there. He's in back behind the dumpsters.
2 Lincoln 6. 2 Lincoln 6. 3 Lincoln 6. 9 cover. Show me a right to engine 16. 16. 306, okay. Windy, do you copy 2? See my light and my flash is going forward.
Yeah, he's got his hands up right now. Only get H-30 officers are challenging 1.
This is a challenging 1.
Nothing else on the head.
5-5, confirm the 3rd party is detained.
5.
Yeah, for the 3rd party is detained. 6, can I clear the zone?